What we're gonna need to make a horseshoe hat rack is horseshoes, a drill with a drill bit, some drilling oil, speed square, paint marker, grinder with a cutting wheel on it, and not to forget, a beer. So, let's do this. Alright, so I'm making 6 of these. So these 6, I'm going to drill a hole in the second square on here. Over here as well. On both sides to mount it up on the wall. So, let's see if we can do this without breaking a drill bit. Nice and tight. When I was younger, these used to spin out and slap me across the hands. That shit would hurt. Cool. Okay. Alright, we got the holes drilled. Let's make sure the screw's gonna fit inside of our hole. So a little hole. Beautiful. That's what we want. So let's do the rest. Thing that we got is cutting our hooks from the other horseshoes that we got left over. Going to be cutting them from in between these 2 holes on each side. It'll give us 2 hooks, and then I'll just draw them out with my speed square. That way I can get the cut straight. So let's do this. Alright, so we're just going to get our speed square as straight as possible, and then hold down, make our mark, just like that. And do this for all these other ones. Alright, since we got everything marked, we can go ahead and put it in the clamp, start cutting. Make sure we get our safety glasses on. Well, it starts sliding out on me. Let's just drop that one. Return it down. They don't have to be pretty because we're going to weld them on and that'll cover all that shit up. So, got them cut. Take one of these. make sure it looks good. Look just like that. So I'm happy with it. Next, what I'm going to do is clean up all these little burrs. That way it'll be a little bit easier to get it mounted on there. There we go. Alright, so now I'm gonna weld this all together. So what I've done is I'm using one of these old ends that I cut off to level this magnet down. Put that under there like that. That way I can manipulate it at the same height, get it as close as I want. And once I get it where I believe is centered, get a quick look. Looks pretty centered. I like it, so let's tack it. Get my welding stuff on. A little crooked, but we can fix that.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Put this as soon as I can get it. Pretty good. Now we'll tack it together. Alright. Alright, let's finish welding it together. Alright, there we go. Ourselves a hook. Alright, there you go. Horseshoe hat hangers. They're not too hard to make, and if you got the right tools, makes it pretty easy. So, thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe to my channel.